Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to head over to Target and pick up some hygiene products that I have ran out of and that I want to repurchase. There's a lot of curly hair stuff that I need to repurchase. Not really a lot, but a lot of my favorite curly hair products that I want to just pick up and see if Target has in stock. Yes, and then I also want to find this method. There's this method, I think it was like a seaweed or a sea kelp body wash that I wanted to find. Why was I just sitting here doing this? I don't know. But anyways, yes, I want to find that body wash. It's blue and I seen it in my very first video. I went back and watched my very first video and seen what other stuff I did not pick up in that video, and I want to find it. Stay tuned and I will see you guys at Target. I see that Tree Hut came out with these sugar face scrubs, and this is in pineapple papaya with H or AHA, and then this one is the hydrating sugar sugar face scrub. You guys, I am like all over the place. Watermelon with cactus water, and then this one is blueberry and turmeric. So they have those now. And then also Love Beauty and Planet came out with this pineapple and papaya body cream. They have the body mist, and then they also have the shower gel. I wonder if that smells good. I'm gonna smell that really quickly and see how that smells. I'm just playing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and smell the pineapple and papaya whipped body scrub and see how that smells. Oh my gosh, that smells so good, you guys. It reminds me of like a pineapple drink. Look at her. You see her in the background taking pictures of stuff. Baby, say hi. They also have the pineapple and papaya bath salts, and it also has coconut and essential oils in it as well. And then they have the strawberry brown sugar one. They have a cherry blossom and tea rose, and then the coconut and warm vanilla, which I really love. But this stuff smells amazing. And I've seen that they also came out with these new body mists. This is called Good Chemistry. This one's magnolia violet. They have sugarberry and tiger lily. So they have those. I came here for the Kirsten S air dry cream, and they're out of it because I think it would be right here. So I think I might go to another Target to see if they actually have it, but I have been wanting to try this deep treatment mask, so I am going to pick this up. But they also have the curl conditioner. They have a curl defining jelly, a micellar shampoo, a scalp scrub, purple conditioner, purple shampoo, and then they have like co-washes, deep conditioners for, I think this is just like the regular one, and then they have like the leave-in conditioner, curl defining cream, which I haven't tried, so I think I might pick up the curl defining cream just because I haven't used this yet, and I really like the air dry cream, so it might be the same. And then I was also trying to find a specific method body wash, but they don't have it, so I think I'm actually gonna do this one. This is the Energy Boost one. I don't have this one yet, so I am gonna go ahead and pick this up as well. So they have that one. They also have this Stay Hydrated body wash, and this one, I don't know if it has like a certain scent, but they have that one. And then they also have the Peony Rose Water and Pink Salt one, Pink Sea Salt. So they have that. I'm also going to pick up another one of my favorite deodorants. It's the Dove Clinical Protection one. I get this one, the Skin Renew one, but they also have this Cool Essentials one, and then an Original Clean one. So I am going to go ahead and pick up this one. I also seen that they have this Dove Soothing Care body wash with Cadula infused oils. I don't have this one, so I am going to pick this up as well. They also have these foaming bath washes. I believe I did buy one before. I think it was the pampering one, but they have the glowing mango butter. They have the sensitive skin one, and then a deep moisture one. So they have foaming body washes as well. And then I seen that they also have these Dove Zero Aluminum deodorants too. Let me know if you guys have ever used these before. I'm so scared to try one without aluminum in it because I don't want to smell. But let me know if you guys have tried these and how you like them, because I will definitely pick one up if there's good reviews. They also have lots of hygiene products on sale as well. So I'm going to look through here to see what they have and see if there's anything that I want to pick up. This product used to be my favorite product of all time for my curly hair, you guys. I haven't picked up one of these in so long. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I used to use this stuff all the time when curly girls and curly gurus used to tell us what they were using in their hair, how they got their hair to look so curly. So I'm going to pick up another one of these because I haven't used this in so long. Never mind, I take that back. I'm actually going to pick up the Curl and Style Milk instead because it's just a lighter formula and I don't really like too much of a thick product for my hair. so I'm gonna pick up that instead. I think I'm gonna pick up both and see what's the difference between them. So I am gonna pick this one up too. I'm so indecisive. And then Neutrogena has this Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. I think I've seen this on someone's hygiene channel before. I think it was McKenna Walker, but I am gonna pick this up because I keep seeing it all over the place in ads for it. So I'm gonna see how this works. And I think I found everything I need from here. I think I'm actually gonna stop over by Burlington to see what they have as well. Just because I haven't been in there in a while, so I want to see what hygiene products they have as well. So I'm going to check out and then go over to Burlington. All right, we're at Burlington. We're going to go see what they have in here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me because the music is so loud here. Every time I come here, it's so loud. But they have this Light Hydro Nourishing Dove Body Care Lotion. I've never seen this before. It's a double pack for $5.99. So they have a lot of these Caress Shea Butter and Brown Sugar bars. Oh my gosh, I think I've been trying to find these ones for the longest, so I am gonna pick these up. They are priced for $4.99 and there's 6 bars. And then they also have a lot of these Neutrogena Rain Bath shower gels. I love these, so I am gonna pick up a couple of these. I've been running out of the ones that I had already, so I am gonna go ahead and pick up those. They also have these Almond Latte all natural exfoliating bar soaps for $3.99. These are super cute. I've never seen this before. They have the Mane and Tail Olive Oil Complex Herbal Growth Spray Therapy for $3.99. So they have the shampoo and conditioner, I know that, but I've never seen the spray. And then the last time I came here, they also had the Main Choice mats. So they have them on clearance for $4.99. I'm gonna definitely pick up both of those because I love this mask. And they also have this Mane and Tail Herbal Grow Leave-In Cream. So yeah, they have a lot of different things here today. I'm back home and I'm just gonna do a haul of all of the hygiene products that I picked up today. You guys, I am so excited to show you guys all the stuff I got. I feel like I got a lot of really good stuff and also some really cheap stuff from Burlington as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything I picked up. The first hygiene product that I picked up is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. And this also has hyaluronic acid in it. There was 2 different ones. This one's the normal to dry one. There was a sensitive to dry one as well, but the cap was broken. I probably would have got that one. But anyways, I've been seeing this everywhere, you guys, especially the cream that you put on your face. But yes, I think I've seen this in someone else's YouTube channel. I don't know if she used this lotion or if she used the face cream. Not sure, but I've been seeing this everywhere. I'm talking about like commercials, YouTube ads, whatever it may be. I've been seeing this everywhere, you guys. So I wanted to pick it up and try it out, and I will let you guys know how I like it. I already smelled it. The smell is amazing. It's a super fresh, like clean scent. So yes, I think I will love this stuff. But anyways, this is the first product that I picked up. The next product that I picked up is this Kristen S Deep Treatment Mask. I've been wanting to try this for the longest, but I'm not sure why I didn't pick it up, but I'm going to give it a try. It says intense moisture, deeply nourishing, instantly softening, shine enhancing for all hair types. So I really love her dry, it's like the air dry cream. I love it so much. I already ran out of it, but yes, I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and see how I love this. So this is the next product that I picked up. This next product is the Kristen S. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Is it Kristen or Kirsten? I don't know. I've always called it Kristen S. I'm not sure. But anyways, this is the Ultra Light Curl Defining Cream. I love the air dry cream from this. So it kind of reminds me of the air dry cream. It's in the exact same bottle, but it's really like, it's like half the bottle size. And then it's also in a white or creamish kind of bottle. It works amazing. I love it. It provides just enough moisture and it keeps your hair super like airy and bouncy. I love it. It doesn't weigh it down at all. I've never tried this one before though, so I'm going to give it a try and see if I like it, because if I do, I might as well just buy this one. It's a bigger bottle and there's like, I think it's like $2 more. But anyways, yes, this is the next product that I picked up. This next product is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. This stuff used to be one of my favorite curly hair products. Like I would never ever buy any other curly hair products ever. It was like back in the day when like all the curly hair gurus used to show what they used to use in their videos, and they would always like use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and their hair would look amazing. So I am going to definitely try this out again and see how I love it, especially with me like cutting my hair and dyeing it. I'm going to see like how it works for me. So yes, I did go ahead and pick up this as well. Next product that I picked up is the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. I used to pick this one up a lot as well, but I kind of just like got into all the other curly hair products and forgot about these, and they're so good, so moisturizing. They define the curls perfectly. I feel like I've always had like the perfect wash and go with these products. So I am going to try them again and let you guys know how I love them, which I already know I'm going to love them. But anyways, yes, this is the next product that I picked up. This next product is the Dove Soothing Care Body Wash. It says it's with calendula infused oils. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But anyways, it says it hydrates and replenishes the skin. I seen this in my mom's shower and I was like, yes, I have to pick this up. So I wanted to try this out. The smell of it is a very clean but a sweet scent at the same time. But yes, I did go ahead and pick this up. I'm really excited to try this out because I've never picked this one out before. I've never tried it. So yes, this is the next product that I picked up. This next product I picked up is the Method Body Citrus Ginger Sea Buckthorn Energy Boost Body Wash. So yes, I did go ahead and pick this up. I smelled it in the store and I don't know how I feel about it yet. I think I just have to take a shower with it first and then see how I like it, because I did take a shower with the Dove, what is it? The Dove Detox, the Mud Green Detox one, and I love it so much. The smell after and then the lotion I paired it with, amazing. Anyways, yes, so I did pick this up and I'm gonna try it out, see how it works, and I will let you guys know. But yes, this is the next product that I picked up. The next thing I picked up is this Dove Clinical Protection deodorant, and this is one of my favorite deodorants. I love it so much. It really does work, and I love the consistency of it. It's like a super creamy deodorant, but you do not need a lot of this. Like a little bit of this goes so long, you guys, like such a long way. So yes, love this stuff. I bought this like who knows how many times now, and I will continue to keep repurchasing it. I love it. It is amazing. I don't ever feel like I stink or like I'm sweating when I wear this. So it's amazing. I love this stuff. Get you some if you haven't got you some already, girl. But anyways, yes, this is the next product that I picked up. The next product that I picked up is this Neutrogena Rain Bath Replenishing Shower and Bath Gel. This is in the scent Ocean Mist, and I'm obsessed. Like, that's literally all I have to say about this product. I'm obsessed. The smell is amazing, and I didn't think that I would really like this smell at first because it's not anything that I would really go for. Like, I always go for vanillas or super sweet scents. This is such a clean but not too clean scent, if that makes sense. It's amazing. I love the consistency. It suds up perfectly, and I feel like it does the job. So yes, I got this for $4.99 at Burlington, originally $11.88. When I seen these, I was like, I have to pick up more than one because that is such a good deal for these, because usually they're really expensive, and I feel like $11 for a body wash, like, no. But anyways, yes. So I did go ahead and pick up 2 of these. The next product is this Caress Shea Butter and Brown Sugar Bar Soaps. You guys, I've been trying to find this product for the longest, like literally months. So I'm so glad I found these. I got these for, how much were these? $4.99. They were originally $9, so that's not bad. But I've been trying to find these everywhere. I just could never find them. They were never in stock at Target and never in stock at the regular like Walmart or Meijer or anything like that, but Burlington had them, and I was so excited. I picked them up and I'm just so excited to try them out. I see them all over TikTok and I'm excited. Like, I'm really excited. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and try these out and let you guys know how I like them. This is the next product that I picked up. The last thing I picked up is this, the Main Choice. This is the Manageability and Softening Remedy hair mask. It's also infused with biotin and vitamins D and E, and it's also a natural growth and retention solution. These are amazing. I think I bought these in one of my videos a while ago, and I got them for $4.99. They were on clearance, so I did pick up both of them. It was the last ones, you guys. Okay, but anyways, yes, this stuff is amazing. I even leave this in my hair because it's so moisturizing, and I am obsessed. Like, even the smell of it is so good. I never thought that I would be obsessed with a mask this much. Like, I usually am obsessed with the macadamia mask, but I think this is my new favorite. It's amazing. Like, it's so good to where I don't even want to rinse it out my hair. But yes, I did go ahead and pick up 2 of these, and these are the last products that I picked up. So these are all of the products that I picked up in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down any products that you guys want me to pick up in my next video. And also comment down below if you guys have tried out any of these products and what your reviews are on them. But yes, this is everything I picked up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.